Good afternoon, this is Mark at the Wicked Edge Expert Corner group. We're on Facebook and YouTube. As long as I'm making these videos on the new standard vise upgrade, I may as well take a minute to talk about all the upgrades. There are the standard vise upgrade is available for the Wicked Edge 100, the blue base, no riser block. Or, number 2, for the Wicked Edge 120, which is the blue base with the riser block, the same new standard vise. 2 applications on the Wicked Edge 100 base. Also, this vise can be used to update an older Wicked Edge 60 with the original standard vise. It can be used to upgrade that with the correct corresponding hardware. The other vise upgrades offered by Wicked Edge are the new dual cam vise upgrades. This allows you to convert the 2025 version WE60 into a WE64 Cobalt. So it gives you the dual cam vise on the big blue base. This same dual cam vise with this riser block setup. This riser not to be confused with this riser block, but they both are riser blocks. This dual cam riser block is the receptacle for the spring array on the dual cam vise. This combination can be used on this WE100 base to take the old WE100, WE120, or WE130 series on this base and to convert it to the new dual cam vise. So that is what this is for. So this is available in 2 configurations depending upon whether you had the WE100 to start or the WE120 because of the square bar length. That's why they distinguished the 2 upgrades for the square bar length. Thanks.